Domain name system, or DNS, essentially converts names, or what are called domain names, such as facebook.com, to IP addresses that are understood by computers and other devices that make up a network. As an example, if you go to a website such as google.com, that name is being converted to an IP address that allows your traffic or data to be routed on the local network or even across the internet. So as an example, if I ping facebook.com, ping is a protocol that allows you to test connectivity on a network. So once again, ping www.facebook.com, you'll notice that the name facebook.com is resolved to an IP address. Ping google.com. That name or domain name is resolved to an IP address that's unique to google.com. I'm in the UK, so if I ping google.co.uk, notice that's resolved to a different IP address. Don't worry too much about the formatting of IP addresses at the moment. We'll talk more about IP addressing in a lot more detail later. Ping cnn.com. What I want you to notice here is that each name is resolved to a separate IP address that's unique and different. You could, as an example, connect two IP addresses directly, but it's a lot easier to use human-readable names such as google.com or google.co.uk or cnn.com rather than having to remember IP addresses of individual sites. So in summary, domain name system, or DNS, is a way to resolve domain names to IP addresses so that your traffic can be routed through the internet. Typically, when you connect to a network, you will be allocated a domain name system server or DNS server. You can configure them manually, and here are some examples of some public DNS servers that you could configure your PC to use. One of the famous ones is Google's public DNS servers 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. In Control Panel on my Windows machine, I can look at the configuration of my local area connection or local network interface, and under Details you'll see that I have two DNS servers configured, Google as well as my local internet router at home.